Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm back to share with you this beautiful classic solid hexagon, granny hexagon. It's very easy to make. It is a repetition of 2 rows throughout the work. You can make it as big as a blanket or any length and width you want. Once you know how to repeat both of the rows, that's the only thing you need to understand in this pattern. Very easy and straightforward. Without further ado, we'll get started. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start by chaining 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet, total of 6 times. Chain 2, 3 double crochet, this is 4, chain 2, and the last cluster. Oops. And one more. Chain 2 and join to the top initial chain, and this is the first round of the hexagon. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna chain 3, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space. So 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. This will be the first repetition of the granny hexagon, and then I'm gonna continue with 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches and repeat. 1 double crochet in the space, chain 2, 1 double crochet. And in the space again, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and in the last space 1 double crochet, chain 2, join to the top, chain 3, which is considered as a double crochet in the space. This is round 2. Now round 3, which is the second repetition, is going to be slightly different in the corners, in the chain 2 spaces. So I'm going to chain 3 again, and again chain 3 is considered part of the double crochet of the space. So 1 double crochet in every stitch, and this time 2 double crochet in the space, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and again 1 double crochet in every stitch. In the space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and continue the same, 1 double crochet in every stitch. And we're almost at the end of this round or row. And 1 double crochet in every stitch. And in the last chain 2 space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and join to the initial chain 3, which is considered the second double crochet. And this is how it looks like so far after 3 rows, and this is how it looks like after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. And then, as I said, you can make it into a blanket, a big blanket, or any project of your choice. Just what you need to understand, that you will have to repeat 2 rows. 2 and 3 will be in repetition. So this row 3, next you'll repeat row 2 after this, and so on. I hope the tutorial was clear and easy to understand, and you'll try to make your own another pretty hexagon. It's been kind of a hexagon saga this week. Still, I have few more to share with you. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.